Today I'm going to bring you guys along with my first try at reversing a Hanes hoodie. It's one of the women's slub cotton zip-up hoodies available on their website. I didn't show the tie. This is just a basic tie, single geode on a diagonal. I'm applying a liberal amount of Out Bright, and then I'm going to go ahead and add boiling water to it and just let it soak until it cools. Ultimately, I probably should have let it soak some more. You'll see at the end. And here you go. That was just the first pour on it. I'm going to go ahead and flip it over. You might want to use tongs and maybe gloves, but anyway, that's the result of that. And after that, I just rinse and rinse and rinse and rinse some more. I added another project to this rinse out that I did. I know a lot of people wash in an actual machine after they use the Out Bright, but I just do this. The water never turns clear. It doesn't matter how many times I rinse and rinse and rinse and rinse. Ultimately, I'll do this 3 or 4 times, and then I put it in a thing of hot water and just let it soak until the water cools, and then go ahead and add it to soda ash water. I wring it out really well, and then I soak it in soda ash and don't do the wash cycle an extra time. It seems to work out all right for me. And then here I am after the soda ash soak. You can see that it turned kind of a funky gray color. I'm not sure at this point. I hadn't done one of these before, so I didn't know what I was getting myself into. Here I'm just clipping it because I'm going to do this one on an incline. I do want to make note on this reverse that the zipper didn't reverse, nor did the thread, which in this instance it was fine. Black is what I preferred, and it turned out fine. Just so you know, that's if you're buying a different color or a lighter color, that the fabric isn't gonna match your thread probably when it's said and done. And then here I am just alternating colors. The first one, watermelon. The second one is ice kaleidoscope red from Grateful Dyes on their website, and I've used it before. It splits pretty good. However, in this instant, I'm not sure that it split real well, but it is what it is, right? This is kind of a test. And then on to my favorite color, the lilac from Dharma. It works great in brushed steel. And I'm just using those 4 colors, alternating down the line. One thing I can say on this is I wish I would have kind of done them in a different order, because I ended up with a lot more red on this than I usually care for. I wish I would have done the lilac and the brushed steel on the bigger spots that I'm doing now, and then it was just like hints of red to kind of make it pop, but I didn't. So here you go. I'll go ahead and speed this up a little bit and bring you back when I'm done putting the dye down. After I got the dye down, I just went ahead and covered it with ice, set it on an incline, let it melt, and then I did another round of ice just to try to get full saturation. and this is what I ended up with. And I don't mind, I guess I don't mind the watermelon. It's not my favorite. Like I said, I'm not a big red person. Yeah. And then you'll see as I'm untying, I probably should have soaked the shirt in the Outright Bright for a little longer. I got some clumps of black that I wish I didn't have. I wish I would have a few more defined lines. Sorry about my kitty up there. She's my old lady. You see her a lot. But ultimately, I think that these hoodies dye and reverse really well. I've had pretty good luck with them. I did some white ones too, and they all took dye really well. But again, the zippers and the thread do not dye. Just know that so you're not disappointed. But for the price, I think you can get these for $12, which for a zip-up hoodie is a really good price. It is lightweight. It's a summer hoodie, and it is most definitely a woman's cut. They are meant to be fitted, I believe. I didn't know that when I bought them. So just plan accordingly for that. They are not a baggy, big zip-up hoodie that a man would wear. These would not fit a man, I don't think, comfortably. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you like it. I will wash this, dry this, iron this, and show you the end result here in just a minute. If you like my content, please like, subscribe, comment. It helps my algorithm. I very much appreciate it. And until next time, thank you.